name is Rishi, and welcome to the first day in the series 30 Days of Qoom, where you will learn how to make a fully fleshed website using some of Qoom's APIs and features. First, a little bit about me. My name is Rishi. I use Qoom to promote my apps, which I also make. And yeah, let's get right into it. Qoom, what, why, and hows. What is Qoom? It's a free web hosting platform run on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and you can also do Python web-based. Up to 3 free projects. You can get up to 3 free projects when you start Qoom using the non-paid plan, and you can get unlimited files per project with an upload size of up to 50 MB, meaning files under that amount you will be able to upload for free. You will also be able to create a free Discord bot. The possibilities are endless with Qoom. You can make apps, VR, AR, and bots and webs and websites and etc. Why should you use Qoom? First of all, it's user-friendly. Qoom uses live feedback and comments in the Discord to continuously improve from people like you and me. It's free. Your first 3 projects with infinite files are free to use. Affordable upgrades. Unlike most platforms, the upgrades on Qoom are affordable and reliable. Extra resources. Qoom provides forms, login API, database API, always coming up with new and improved beta options. Websites are always live without delay. Qoom also provides great customer support and peer help on Discord with an amazing community. What files can I use on Qoom? HTML, which is the front end of the web, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. CSS, which is the design on the front end, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And JS, which is the server-side backend, as well as the functionality of clicks and presses and buttons. JS stands for JavaScript, but this is not to be confused with Java. These are 2 different languages and have 2 different entires. What's going to happen in the next 30 days? In the end, we're going to make one professional website. It'll have your own color scheme, and I'll teach you how to get the right colors. This tutorial will come with professional design tips and how I use Qoom to promote my apps. You'll also see how to make professional forms, modals, and pop-ups to organize your site and help keep users from clicking on your site and not away from it. Who is this for? I like to separate this into 4 types of people. One is the beginners who have never coded before or coded a little bit some time ago. This will provide you with a clear explanation as well as a help Discord that you can go to and ask questions on. Intermediate, they have coded before but they want to expand or they want to grow in their career of coding. This will provide you with an easy to follow tutorial and a slow pace while keeping enough content to keep you interested. The advanced, you love to code, you want to make it professionally for business or personal use. If this is you, you will learn about professional and adaptable colors. You will find an eye-catching work display as well as an easy-to-make website. And if you're a professional, if you're willing to spend the extra bucks to get a custom domain on Qoom, we'll go over the overview of all of Qoom's features and whether or not you should invest, and reasons to use Qoom rather than Firebase or others. Recap. What is Qoom? Why Qoom? And what we will do in levels of this video. What is Qoom? Qoom is an interactive web hosting platform. Why Qoom? Because it's user-friendly and it relies on your feedback. What we will do, make a professional website. Levels of this video, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and professional. So our website will look like this in the end. We'll have a navigation bar, a header, a about us, the thing that you're advertising, your product, your solution, or whatever, a support me page, a sellout where you can tap on links to YouTube channel, Twitch channel, whatever, on images, or send emails through this, and a copyright at the end, or a footer. Thank you. See you tomorrow.